Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. Yes, I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. I create content around inspiration, motivation, vlogs within and outside Zurich, conversations, reactions, and so much more. So I want to say mega love shout out to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to support this channel. And for those that will be joining, please kindly join, and you are absolutely welcome. So today my son is taking over my channel. Yes, he took over my channel. So all this while, he always see me recording videos, doing videos. I have two boys for the records, and they always want to just feature in my video. Is it that they want to feature, they want to have their own channel? They've been disturbing me forever that they want to have their channel, but I can't combine it for now. So I told them to wait. But today, my 5-year-old decided to take over my channel. So kindly make sure you like this video as you are watching it, because it took a lot to record this video. You're welcome to my space.
Hey guys, let me show you how to climb up this ladder. And if I teach you, you can do it by yourself.
Okay,
Come on.
let's go. Hey guys, you're welcome to the video. Today Sean is taking over my video.
And Maria, if it's on Chronicles TV.
Wow, this is Sean's Chronicles TV. You are welcome, guys.
Yes, you are welcoming.
Okay.
So now you're at the red one. Now you're at the yellow one.
Okay, can you put on your cap very well? Okay, let's go.
The yellow one.
Yes. Okay.
And there's some stairs.
There are some
Come
stairs.
on, follow me.
Okay, we are following you.
And that's the end. Now go to the green slide.
Where's the
I'll
green
see
slide?
you.
What's the green slide? Okay, that's the green slide. Let me come over to the green slide.
It has two. Hey guys, you see the green slide? It has two fat bellies.
Okay.
And this one goes to the. Let's go and show you more videos.
Woo! Wow, that's
Now
amazing.
Let's go to the green one. Let's go to the red one.
Okay.
Now show you guys the red one.
Okay. Sean has taken over. He took over the channel. Yeah.
It has no fat belly. God, it has no fat belly, but it can go faster.
Okay, the fat bellies can go through. Wow.
I told you.
Okay.
I told you it get more faster.
Okay.
And guys, like, comment, any more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
What do you tell them?
Let's subscribe for the Account Money YouTube channel. I'll see you
Next time.
next video.
It's
No.
okay, guys. Okay, let me talk. Hello, guys. Yes. And hello guys, in this live you always burn your kind. Yes, Sean have been saying, mommy, I want to do a video, and today I gave him the opportunity to take over the channel. And so we came for his spot. After the spot, we decided to come for a playtime, and I said,
don't do this show on Chronicles TV.
yeah, so look out for his channel. Loading, it's loading. He said the name of his channel is going to be Sean's Chronicles TV. Or do you have a better name for the channel for us? Make sure you suggest in the comment section. Okay, thank you. Like this video and subscribe.
Which common name, and you guys subscribe.
subscribe. Okay, so when you see Sean's Chronicles, make sure you like his video and subscribe, because it takes a lot to record a video, guys. Okay.
And it takes a lot of fun.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey guys, I am at the swing today. Yesterday I showed you that double slide. I'm going to teach you to swing. For pushing it, it's higher. You can push it here outside or inside or fit it. You don't want to push the swing.
Push it, Sam. Can you push it harder? You need to push it.
Mommy, you're this girl. Mommy, I'm trying to entertain all my friends here.
Okay.
This is how this works. I'm gonna stand up here and push with the bumble. And Mommy's gonna push. And I need to take my mommy take and for that. And you is going to meet in my video. Mommy. Mommy say hi.
Hi, Sean. Hi, guys. So every Tuesday of the week we get to have sports together. Like I bring Sean for his set activities, and I get to do some sport also out here. So today was a Tuesday and the weather is so beautiful. Like you can see, Sean is wearing his short knicker. So
This hello, or you can hide if you don't want to see a video like this, or you can do anything you want, like jumping. Jump inside. Or jump higher up. You will get hurt. And if you hurt yourself so high, then it will get broken. And then you will hurt yourself. Then you cry, and then it will be unhoused forever.
thank you, my people. Thank you, fam, for watching. And especially if you've watched till this stage, just let me know in the comment section. Say, I watched you this stage. I watched it till this point. Then I will know that you are my real VIP. Yes, because some people don't watch, or some people watch, they don't even listen. But whatever the case may be, thank you so much for watching. It's been Sean's Chronicle in collaboration with Esther's Chronicle hosting you. Kindly help us like the video also, okay? And my champion is so in love with the screen. He loves the screen, but I'm still very careful with him because he's very young. Like I said earlier, he wants his own YouTube channel forever. We as parents, we need to be mindful of what we are doing because our children are watching. Yes, they are watching you, either good or bad. Like I always say, lion no dey born dog. A lion does not give birth to a dog. So let's be mindful of what we are doing because they are watching. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.
We entertain, I bring you laughter from the comfort of your home. Another day, another chapter of something to enjoy. Cause we go motivate you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Content will go benefit you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Subscribe, make you elevate your mind. And make sure you like, go, drop a comment and share with your friends and family. Yeah.